Okay, so this one has P equals, oh wait, my annotation. Okay, so this one has P equals Q plus 2. And then it also has 3P plus 4Q. Wait a second. Plus 4Q equals negative 36. All right, so what does P equal?
P equals 2.
Q plus 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's a P right here, right? So what can I put in the spot of P?
Oh wait, this P goes into, doesn't it go away? You exit out?
It's going to go away, and what's going to go in its spot?
2.
Q plus 2.
No, Q is.
Q plus 2. So see, this whole thing equals P. So I can put it in the spot where P is.
Yeah.
So it's going to be 3, instead of P, it's going to be Q plus 2 plus 4Q equals negative 36. Now, why did we do that?
Cause we didn't think, cause it had a sub out, or we didn't think of it.
We had to sub it in because we can't have 2 different letters. We have all Q's now. Now we can solve for Q because we got rid of a P. All right, so then the next step is to distribute. So 3Q plus 3 times 2, which is 6, plus 4Q equals negative 36. What things can I combine on the left?
P and 3 or P and Q?
I got a 3Q and I got a 4Q. So those are all Q's, so I can add them together. So what's 3Q plus 4Q?
So we put 3, 6 over there, and 4Q.
Yeah, what's 3 plus 4?
The plus doesn't go because you have to add.
Yeah, you add them. So what is it going to be if you have 3Q plus 4Q? Just like if you have 3 soccer balls and then you have 4 more soccer balls, how many soccer balls do you have?
I have 8.
No.
I'm playing 7.
All right, so if you have, so 3 Q's and 4 Q's make 7 Q's. And then plus 6. And then what's the next step? We got to get Q by itself, right? So what's the next step?
3Q.
No.
We're gonna add 10 soccer balls.
You have, no, you can't do that. Oh, I see. You think that's a Q. That's a minus 36 actually. But now you want to get, okay, so the goal is to get this Q by itself. He wants to be single. So you got to get rid of the 6. So you subtract it on both sides.
Oh.
All right, and so that's going to be 7Q equals negative 42. Okay, there's one more step and then we'll know what Q is. What do you think it is? Seven and Q are doing what? They're right next to each other. So are they adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing?
Multiplying. I mean dividing.
No, you're right.
Dividing.
They are multiplying, and the thing you have to do is divide. So divide both sides by 7, and then Q is finally alone. All the letters want to be alone. They don't like other letters and numbers.
The elf on the shelf moved.
Huh?
My elf on the shelf. It keeps moving.
All right, so Q is -6. So I'm just going to write that over here. Now we need to plug it back in. I'm going to clear this out. All right, so P equals Q plus 2. Well, if Q equals -6, I can plug that in here. So what's -6 plus 2?
-6 plus 2?
Uh-huh.
7.
-4.
Oh, -6. Oh.
All right, so this one, if the,
Like
the
Band-Aid.
okay, so I'm not sure if the answer is supposed to be PQ or QP, but we're going to try PQ, which would be -4, comma, -6. Let's see if that's right.
I have exams today. It's so annoying.
In math?
What?
In
No,
math or what?
And everything like FSA.
Oh, yep, that worked. If that didn't work, I would just reverse it to -6, -4, because usually it's an XY. All right.